begin. Soft sunlight warms the air again. On solder chemistry's ground we hear a gentle hum. The bees are here. They rise with blossoms fresh and new, through apple blooms and morning dew. A brand new year takes shape and starts with beating wings and hopeful hearts. Buzz, buzz, little bees at solder chemistry. Through every season we see, from springtime blooms to winter's rest, you show us teamwork at its best. In every flight, in all you do, we learn what care and balance mean too. The summer sun is high and bright, fields and flowers alive with light. The bees are working side by side, carrying life on every flight. From lavender to sunflower gold, their story quietly unfolds. Steady focus, strong and true, just like the work we aim to do. Buzz, buzz, little bees at solder chemistry. Through every season we see, from springtime blooms to winter's rest, you show us teamwork at its best. In every flight, in all you do, we learn what care and balance mean too. Autumn and winter, autumn paints the world in flame. The pace slows down, but not the aim. Inside the hive, warm and tight, they wait through dark and silent nights. Beneath the snow, beneath the cold, the future hums quiet and bold. Because the bees already know spring will come and life will grow. Buzz, buzz, little bees at solder chemistry. Through every season we see, you remind us year by year that progress grows when care is clear. Step by step in all we do, we build tomorrow, just like you. Blossoms bloom once more, the humming starts like years before.